Kani kadega bate CTV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni, balwan rasha pida ka orange nisan, lom so po niya fabricate Shillong.
Hadin bo Dr. Rangba, jangka Bethany Hospital Shillong, ulayo iuk nyang jingpang corona virus dan iuk COVID-19, uway niki officer IS, jangka Sorkar Meghalaya, Sampath Kumar, haga khat sautrik mentau yayong arajar arpo, haga jingi keren bikin patai kubor ke jela ling bagi kor keyboard jangka internet, lapen syai, halor kene ke jingpang ke boleh orung haga ne ke jela Meghalaya. Sampath Kumar IAS ulaong baka Sorkar kala syem kisin jam banyada na ka jing sapriang jong ni kunyang jingpang bat hadu mentaka singi kat sautrik uyayong ladep banchem sampul nenong muna na ki khandai pu arngot ki breu ban pha tes halor kunyang jingpang COVID-19 bat tang na Bethany Hospital Shillong kitu ki bakhamya jan bat doktor ubrayo yakni ke jingpang ha ki khandiat singi balaleng kidon nru pu arngot baro yaki wala pha tes ya ka jinglong jingman jongki ha ka ko ya
idea was people stay at home and so that this will not spread. So I think that's another this incident happened during the lockdown period. That is one one of the things, but that's why the number of patients or contacts are lesser than normal situations. So this entire incident happened during this lockdown period. So this is one thing that we would like to say that. And the other thing in terms of actually we also have to remove the anxiety. That's another thing that I also wanted to talk to you through you to all the citizens of our state. So we need to remove the anxiety, remove the fear. The reason is that this is something that one should know what is this, how actually this can happen. So essentially everyone has to actually understand that this is a thing actually which is a global pandemic which is coming every country, every country. We were the last but one state to be affected, and you're all aware, and this is impacting everyone. But this is again so what at this juncture what we require to know is that this actually we need to maintain those especially those advisories, especially the 3 advisories: social distancing with real physical distancing, and also maintaining that all the time this room actually not so every time putting the mask, making sure that we are not actually spreading or we're not actually spreading something, the viral load but already there. So that's using the mask and hand hygiene, very important, hand hygiene. So I think those are a few things which we require to again and emphasize, and this is new, something that is non-negotiable now for all of us to actually practice. And that is something that we need to bring that one. And what is actually from the what we are saying is that those people who have been registered, those who have any symptoms, we are asking them to actually notify. Then we will actually will examine them. That already that process has been started, and then those tests will be done. And if they are found negative, also we will ask them to be quarantined for at least 14 days to 21 days. So that's again a very important thing, that that isolation, because in fact that's so important, because so that even if there is any asymptomatic cases are there, they will be ruled out during this period. So this is one important thing. And home quarantine is complete home quarantine, not that one member is quarantining and other members are actually moving out. So that also is something that home quarantine is also important. So we actually also are people at home quarantine. And the third thing is also that everyone has been actually having a lot of meetings with the Rampashan officer. I read from that when the COVID had started, a lot of preparatory exercise that we did every other day. So one of the things we always used to highlight, especially in the meetings with the citizen groups and especially the headmen and Rampashans, was that we need to really treat with a lot of compassion and empathy. We should not stigmatize people. Should really enforce the advisory, the restrictions. At the same time, we should also actually work with a lot of empathy and human touch. So that's something that we have been telling, and a lot of headline actually have been really helping and cooperating with the district administrations. So this is briefly about the today is the picture, and then like these are the number of tests that we have sent, and we are waiting for the result. Results would take some time. It will take another 3 hours because it's like, as I said, it's a large number of samples, and it also for any confirmations it has to it has to be again vetted by NID Pune. We have to wait for those results to come. So this is briefly about today's briefing, and we will come actually tomorrow. I think we will have a more detailed updates. And thank you all.